Get ready for the Samsung's next flagship knockout, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Here are the 5 biggest upgrades to know before its launch in the early 2026. First is the slimmer and the lighter design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be slimmer and lighter than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It is expected to be less than 8mm thick, and even though it is thinner, the screen will be cleaner and brighter thanks to the new display tech. Next up, you will get to see a charging upgrade. The charging is getting a big update. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will support a 6-watt charging instead of that 45 watts. That means according to the rumors, you can charge up to 50% in just 20 minutes. And a full charge will be less than in 45 minutes. That's a huge improvement for the people who are always on the go and don't want to have a time to sit around waiting for their phone to charge. Talking about the battery size, so the battery size stays the same as for now. And of course, we cannot forget the cameras. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will come with a redesigned camera module that looks cleaner and more modern. The camera design in the back will be quite similar to the latest A36 or A56 models. The main sensor will be still of 200 megapixels with a wider aperture for brighter photos, especially in low light. The zoom cameras are also getting improvements with better clarity at 3x, 5x zoom levels. If we talk about the performance, so the Galaxy S26 Ultra will come with a Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or with the Samsung's new Exynos 2600 in some regions. But most probably in the Galaxy S26 Ultra series, they will choose the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This new processor is built for speed and efficiency, so whether you are gaming, editing videos or multitasking with several apps, the phone will run smoother and faster than ever. And because it will be AI focused, so you will notice smarter features built right into everyday tasks. And finally, the software. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch with the Samsung's One UI 8.5 running on the Android 16 update. But here's the exciting part. According to the rumors, Samsung is expected to allow multiple AI assistants on the phone. So instead of just Bixby, you can have Google's Gemini or GPT. That means more choices, smarter features, and overall better experience for you. So to sum it up, a thinner, lighter design, much faster charging, a powerful new processor, improved cameras, and smarter software with AI. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the Samsung's best upgrades yet. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comment section below. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.